Good news to all new creators. If your channel is under 1,000 subscribers, come close. I have this secret for you. YouTube have already released a new feature that nobody know about it. The people that know about it, they hide the secret. They refuse to share the update for you. If you are struggling to grow your channel, if your channel is getting low view, or you are wondering why people are not subscribed to your channel, come close. Let me show you this new feature that YouTube just released. This one will make you to be very easy for you to gain your first 1,000 subscribers. It will make it easy for you to make YouTube algorithm to locate your channel. What you need to do is, if you can follow exactly what I want to show you on this video, I just give you just 2 weeks, you will see say you go hit your first 1,000 subscribers. Your videos will start getting view, because this is a new feature and YouTube is pushing any video that's using this new feature. Don't waste of your time. In case it is your first time seeing my face, my name is Ngozi and I teach you how to grow on YouTube. I teach you how to use AI to create the content, on how to make money online too. I teach you all this thing. If it is what you like to follow me learn, and you want me to show you this new feature that YouTube just released now, do well by helping me like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video for other people that do not know this thing too, so that they can know from the video too. So let's go to the screen. Let me show you how they are using this new feature to generate your first 1,000 subscribers.
So where to do this and get your first 1,000 subscribers is this. First of all, we are going to go to our YouTube studio on a website. So let's click on Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. So I always use my Chrome to enter my studio. That is why, if you did not, then you are going to click on YouTube studio, studio.youtube.com. Then when you click on send, it's going to bring you to this page. Then you click on continue to studio. Now when your studio, YouTube studio, open like this, when your YouTube studio open like this, then you are going to sit down under, you will come down, just look down, you are going to see setting icon. You want to see this setting icon here, then you click on it. It's going to bring you to this page. Then you click on channel. When you click on channel, you are going to click on feature eligibility, because here we have basic information, then we have advanced setting, then we have feature eligibility. Click on feature eligibility. You can see here standard feature enable, intermediate feature enable, advanced feature enable. Make sure everything here is enabled. Then if it is enabled like this, just leave it, don't touch it. Then you close this place. Minimize. Then now we are going to go to our YouTube studio, our YouTube app. Click on your YouTube app. So when we click on the YouTube app, you click on the search bar. So you are going to search, viral videos on YouTube. Then you search. Now you can see the most viral YouTube video now. Let's see the one we get 200 million views. You look for the highest video that gets view well. So let's use this one. We'll click on I don't want the sound to come and distract. Then you are going to click on this plus sign you are seeing down here. After you see like, comments here, then you click on the plus sign. Oh, okay, let's use another video. If you click on the plus sign, it is all what you see, is all the feature you see is what is here. Don't use it. Let's go back again. Okay, let me check this one, that they use watermelon.
It's a prank. It's a prank.
So let me check. We'll click on the plus. Well, this one too doesn't have the feature. So now I want to just try and look for the video that can get the feature. click on short. You can be testing different video till when you get the video that get the fiction. So sorry for the sound. So it's like we are going to use this one. Let me click on this. Now you can see on that, turn it into Candyland. Turn it into Candyland. You click on this arrow. I have to pause it because of the sound. I don't like it. So they will give you a prompt by themselves. Transform into an epic Bollywood. Add me spinning alongside them. Then change to shimmering liquid. So, and if you have your own prompt, you can put your own prompt. So now I just want to use one of their own prompts here. Now let's change in a, like if you see the video, let me click on it. You can see the sky into the shimmering liquid gold, adding flow light particular. Like I want to change the background, like say it is not what they are using. Then what of this one? Movement in the perfect section to match their viral rhyming performance. Okay, transform. This one marigold penthouse and energetic shining around them in the section. So let's see. Then just let's use one here. You click on this. If you have prompt, you can put prompt. So you wait and see the magic when this thing counts to 100. This is how to recreate a viral video on YouTube to make your own video to go viral. Then you generate more subscribers. And this one is just because it's a video tutorial. If not, if you want to use anything, look for a video in your niche. Look for a video in your niche. You can search viral video of YouTube grow. Viral video on YouTube grow. Then you can use it. Wow, how do you see the performance? You see the video has become different. Now you can see in it. Now we click, you can write any, add any text. Let me just write best performance. Best performance. Now I can click on next. You select the thumbnail to your own satisfaction. Then let me write best performance. Hashtag short. Now all this place now is my own choice to select. Maybe make the video no go viral. Let me just add one of my YouTube video. Add location. Now you come to this place, you select using AI. Yes, because YouTube want to know whether I use AI to generate the video. Yes, I use AI. Let YouTube understand. Then from them you can upload. So there's nothing like copyright in this when you upload this. So but the best way for you, look for your niche, the right niche that you are using on your channel before you do this. If you do this thing in just 2 weeks, you will see how your subscriber will start to increase, because all these videos are trading video and they are going to go viral and you're going to generate enough of subscriber. Thank you and remain blessed. I would like to see you on my next video. You can visit my channel and check some growth tips that I share on my channel. Thank you and remain blessed.